How to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. Here's exactly how to reset and restore it using a computer. Step 1. First, connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC with a USB cable. Then do the following depending on your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Step 2. On a Mac, use Finder. On Windows or older Mac OS, open iTunes. You'll see a message that your iPhone is in recovery mode. Step 3. Click Restore, not Update. This will erase your device, including the passcode, and install the latest version of iOS. Step 4. Once the restore finishes, your iPhone will restart. You can now set it up as new or restore from an iCloud or computer backup if you had one. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.